Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tune Project. Today we're going to be talking about fiddle tune types specifically within the American tradition. So if you're ready to learn about some good old American fiddle playing, just keep watching. Hi, I'm Lauren, a professional violinist and fiddle player, currently living in Nashville, Tennessee, and I help thousands of people achieve their violin and fiddle goals. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. We'd love to have you here. Now, there are many different types of tunes that fall under the American roots category, whether it's tunes from Appalachia, Texas, Louisiana, the American South. There's so many different types of tunes and styles that we could discuss here, but today we're going to be focusing specifically on two tune types: the breakdown and the hoedown. Now, something to keep in mind here is, just like in classical music, a lot of these tunes, most of them in fact, have origins in dance music. So a lot of these tunes were used for dancing. And so there is a lot of crossover in terms of the names of the tunes, what they are considered in terms of type, and how that relates to dances. Now, starting with the breakdown, it is a lively, shuffling dance in 2/4 time, but the term is often used loosely to refer to a range of old time and bluegrass tunes that fall in 2/4 and 4/4 time. So I'll go ahead and play for you a small excerpt of one of the most famous breakdowns there is, Foggy Mountain Breakdown, often played on banjo, but here's a little taste of that. Now, the hoedown is also a lively dance in 2/4 time, usually a square dance. And as far as tunes are concerned, most hoedowns are reels, but some are hornpipes. And here is an excerpt of a popular hoedown called Liberty. Now, at this point, you may be wondering, breakdowns and hoedowns sound so similar, so what's the difference? The tunes themselves do have a lot of similarities, but in my experience of actually playing the tunes, there are a couple of differences. When I think of a breakdown, I think of a bluegrass tune that has a slightly more complex melody and is a bit on the flashier side, as opposed to the hoedown, which I like to think of as the more down-to-earth cousin of the breakdown that is slightly more simplistic in nature and not as much of a heavy focus on the instrument and showcasing its capabilities. So I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit about American folk music today and a couple of tune types that fall into the traditional category. If you've been playing the fiddle for any length of time, I would encourage you to go through the tunes that you know and see if you can determine which are breakdowns and which are hoedowns. And who knows, maybe you could even get some friends together for a little country dance. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy practicing.